Go touch some grass, Grace. Seriously, you've been online all day.
What's wrong with staying online? I'm not bothering anyone.
It's not about bothering anyone, it's about taking a break.
A break from what? I'm just gaming and chatting with friends.
Exactly, you need a break from the screen. Step outside for a bit.
What's so great about being outside? It's just grass and trees.
That's the point. Fresh air, sunlight, it clears your mind.
My mind's fine, thanks. I don't feel stressed or anything.
You say that now, but too much screen time isn't healthy.
Okay, but what would I even do outside? Just stand there?
You could take a walk, ride your bike, or even just sit in the sun.
Sounds boring. At least online, I can talk to people.
You can talk to people outside too. Maybe meet a neighbor?
Who even does that anymore? People aren't that friendly.
You won't know unless you try. Plus, it's good to disconnect.
I can disconnect later. I've got a tournament to prepare for.
Grace, the world won't end if you step away for an hour.
But I'll lose practice time, and that's important to me.
Sure, practice is important, but so is balance.
Balance? I think I've got plenty of it.
Really? When's the last time you saw the sun?
Yesterday, I think, or maybe the day before.
My point exactly. Come on, just 10 minutes outside.
Fine, but only if you come with me.
Deal. I could use some fresh air too.
All right, but if this is boring, I'm going right back in.
Fair enough. Let's just walk around the block.
Okay, do I need to bring anything?
Just yourself, and maybe sunglasses. It's bright out.
All right, let's get this over with.
I'm drifting off. I can barely keep my eyes open.
Long day at work?
Yeah, back-to-back meetings and deadlines. It's exhausting.
You should take a break. Have you eaten yet?
Not really, just grabbed some snacks earlier.
That's not enough. Let me fix you something to eat.
You don't have to. I'll manage.
Don't argue, you need a proper meal.
All right, fine. What are you making?
Maybe pasta, quick and comforting.
Sounds perfect, thanks.
No problem. By the way, did you finish that report you mentioned?
Barely. It's due tomorrow morning, and I'm still tweaking it.
Do you want me to look it over? I'm pretty good at spotting errors.
That would be amazing, thank you.
Just send it to me when you're ready.
Will do. So, how was your day?
Busy, but not as bad as yours. I had time for a gym session.
Lucky you. I haven't worked out in weeks.
You should join me sometime, it helps clear the mind.
Maybe I will. When do you usually go?
Early mornings, around 7 a.m.
That's too early for me. I can barely get out of bed by 8.
You'd get used to it, plus, it feels great to start the day energized.
I'll think about it. No promises though.
Fair enough. By the way, how's your cat doing?
Oh, Max is fine. He's been extra cuddly lately.
He probably senses your stress. Animals are intuitive like that.
True. He's been my little therapist this week.
That's sweet. All right, dinner's almost ready.
Thank you. You're the best.
Anything for you. Now eat and relax.
Do you see what I'm getting at?
Sort of, but can you explain it a bit more?
Sure. I'm saying that if we continue working this way, we'll miss the deadline.
Oh, I see your point now. So, you're suggesting we change our approach?
Exactly. We need to prioritize the tasks better.
Okay, but which tasks do you think we should focus on first?
Definitely the report summary and the presentation slides. Those are crucial.
But the data analysis isn't done yet. Won't that delay things?
It might, but the presentation can't wait. We can refine the data later.
I guess that makes sense. Should we assign specific roles for this?
That's a good idea. You handle the slides, and I'll work on the summary.
All right, but what about Sarah? Can she help with the graphs?
Yes, let's ask her. She's great with visuals.
True. Do you think we should set a deadline for these tasks?
Absolutely. Let's aim to finish by Friday afternoon.
Friday? That's tight, but doable.
I know, but we don't have much choice.
Fair enough. Do you think the client will like our approach?
Honestly, I think they will. They value clear and concise presentations.
Good point. Should we include a case study in the slides?
Yes, but only one. Too many might overwhelm them.
Got it. What's your plan for the summary?
I'm going to highlight key findings and recommendations. Nothing too detailed.
That's smart. Do you need help with that?
Not right now, but I'll let you know if I do.
All right. When should we review everything together?
How about Thursday evening? That gives us time to make changes if needed.
Perfect. Should we also rehearse the presentation?
Yes, definitely. A couple of run-throughs would be ideal.
Agreed. Do you think we should add more visuals to the slides?
Maybe, but let's not overdo it. Keep it clean and professional.
Good call. Anything else we need to prepare?
Just a backup plan, in case they ask unexpected questions.
Right. I'll draft some potential Q&A responses.
Thanks. I think we're on the right track now.
Me too, Anna. Let's make this presentation a success. Please subscribe and see you soon.